Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla urged youths to treat elderly persons with respect and dignity and also to create bridges between generations. The governor was speaking during observance of International Day of Older Persons 2025, which was organized by Department of Social Welfare at Sangay Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, Secretary of Social Welfare Department Robert Ketrimayum also attended the program, which also witnessed the distribution of aids and assistant devices to elderly persons. Addressing the program, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla asserted that a society is judged by how it treats its elders. Respect, care, and inclusion are not acts of charity, but they are matters of justice and responsibility. Indian tradition has always regarded elders as a repository of knowledge and values. It is important to view aging not as a burden but as an asset to society, as they carry immense experience, lessons of perseverance, compassion, and hope. While stressing on need to acknowledge the challenges faced by elderly people in terms of health issues, financial insecurity, loneliness, and the feeling of being left alone in fast-changing world, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla said, "We as society cannot ignore the senior citizens." He urged youth to remember that elders before us are not only witness to change, they have made the change happen. Our paths are better because they walked the harder path before us. Speaking further, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla said, "True respect for elders must begin at our own homes and to fulfill our basic duties as human beings, as we will also grow old one day." The governor called upon all sections of society to work together in building an inclusive Manipur that ensures quality life for elderly persons.
Older persons embody lived experience that no textbook can offer. They carry within them lessons of perseverance, compassion, and hope, qualities much needed in the younger generation in our complex world. However, we must also acknowledge the challenges that many senior citizens face: health issues, financial insecurity, loneliness, or the feeling of being left behind in a fast-changing world. These are real concerns, and as a society, we cannot ignore them. Today, I speak not only as governor, but as a fellow elder. I understand the challenges that come with age, but I also know the deep value and experience that come with it. Our lives do not slow down, they evolve, and we continue to lead, guide, and care for our commitments. Let's not allow age to create distance. Let's build bridges of understanding between generations.